Good afternoon. It's Travis the Trader. Happy Tuesday afternoon. Wanted to go over with you just a brief market update, what the close looked like, as well as some of the trading activity in my account. Overall, the markets were up. The E-mini S&P forward slash ES was up 12.75 forward slash NQ up almost 40. That's the NASDAQ futures, NASDAQ 100 forward slash YM. Dow Jones Industrial Futures are up about 50. For me, the story of the day was forward slash VX, which is the volatility. Volatility futures were down about 30 cents to 13.36. Again, market seems to be complacent. Just about everything that's going on in the market is going on in the overall world. The metals finally saw a down day, forward slash GC, the gold futures, down almost $12, and forward slash SI, the silver futures, were down as well, about 17 cents, but still with quite a bit of volatility over there. Some of the activity that happened, I know I had mentioned a Boeing strangle that I put on, but a couple hours later, I did sell a naked put in BITO. This is the Bitcoin futures. This is the ETF. Sold a 24 put, and this is it for July. My biggest loss for today actually happened to have been DraftKings. DraftKings was down a little over a dollar, about $1.35. This happens to be a covered call. Again, what I wanted to re-emphasize is that covered calls are a bullish strategy. We still want to see the stock up, even though we do have covered calls in the position in the trade. And it came and took me down today. My biggest gain today, really not a whole lot. GDX, which is a naked call, 37 call. Other than that, really wasn't a whole lot else going on. It was kind of a dead day today. Not a whole lot of movement, not a whole lot of action. But what I wanted to communicate is the way my strategy is set, the way I like to look at things is I like to put on as many positions as I can, obviously dependent upon my buying power. Look at buying power as taking a percentage of your overall liquidity or your account liquidity, the amount of money that you have. Right now, I'm at about little under 40%, which is still a bit high because of the volatility that we're in right now, which is about 13. Normally, I should keep it between 30 to 35. I'm at about 40. But what I generally like to do is I like to put on a lot of small positions, try to make these positions as, let's call it, negatively correlated to each other. And that way that if there is a big drop or there is something to the upside, I don't feel the impact as much. So keeping that in mind, wanted to share that with you. There was something else I wanted to mention. EWZ, which is a strangle. It's a 29.34 strangle I have. I did put that into July. Again, it's going to take a little bit of time. We'll, of course, monitor it and keep you posted. But again, other than that, pretty much a slow day. If anybody found any kind of value, any kind of benefit, please, because I want to keep this going. I want to look to educate the masses as much as I can. Please subscribe to my channel as well as giving me a thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you at my next video.